guys, nice to see you again. Welcome to Momo's Happy Kitchen. Let's have fun and start our easy cooking journey together. Today we are going to make garlic button mushrooms. This dish is delicious and it is simple to make and suitable for most people's tastes. Hurry up and save the recipes. And click to follow my channel because you will receive simple recipe videos. I upload every day for free, if you are willing. Please give me a like to give me the greatest support and encouragement. Thank you all for your support. Save this recipe now so you may refer back anytime in the future. Ingredients are button mushrooms and chopped garlic. Wash and button mushrooms cut half. Butter, you can melt it. If you don't have it, just add cooking oil. I used my own garlic butter. If you are interested, please check it out. Add button mushrooms. Add chopped garlic. Black pepper. You can also add salt to taste. I didn't add salt because the garlic butter already has flavor. Stir fry until golden brown. Plate and ready to serve. This dish is good to serve as side dish. I share new simple recipes every day. If you like simple cooking and happy eating like me, then you have come to the right channel. Follow me now. Otherwise, you may not find me if you accidentally delete it. After accumulating 365 recipes a year, you can cook every dish differently in a year. YouTube. There are 2,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes, yeah. There is also a bilingual version of my recipe, Chinese. Version will be available at 12 noon every day while English version will be uploaded at 8:30 p.m. at daily basis. Welcome to follow and save all the delicious and easy recipes. Thanks for watching. See you in next video, yeah.